Delhi riots prompted me to speak to you, the peoples of India, Bangladesh and Pakistan. I am Manzoor Ahmad Manzoor in Lahore, Pakistan. I present to you my article, Delhi Riots and Two Minorities. But before that, few words. From Mahatma Gandhi to Narendra Modi, or from about 1900 to 2020, India has consciously tried to solve its Muslim problem, which after partition became more complicated. Muslim and Pakistan problem or problems. Now, Muslim problem within India and Pakistan problem in the neighborhood have the same roots and are fundamentally one problem. They affect each other. It seems logical that both offshoots will get resolved the day Muslims got rid of their hate Hindus ideologues in the garb of Islam in Pakistan, India and Bangladesh. Overall, present Delhi riots are one episode of this long struggle, where India was right and where wrong. In this struggle, do not alter the fundamentals of this problem. Muslim leaders were the carriers of the seeds of this problem. But without the British, the seeds most probably would have remained lying without water in infertile ground of the masses. Unfortunately, the job to identify the core of this problem was never undertaken before or after partition. Therefore, there was never a policy. There was always episode to episode management or reaction. Unlike open and clear policy on abrogation of Article 370 and Balakot, it is worrisome to think that Delhi riots were part of a hidden agenda to punish Muslims. If one comes to this conclusion, the way forward is to get the message and fight back constitutionally. This struggle can only get more focused and so more fruitful if it is understood that Delhi riots or previously any riots were the outcome of basically behavior of Muslim leaders. Imagine today Muslims in India want inclusion, but their leaders are the remnants of that core group who throughout fought for exclusion. I name them Urdu Party. The core value of the culture this core group spread was Hindu hatred, which led to their demand for exclusion and hence Pakistan. In the process, they immensely damaged Bengalis, Punjabis, Sindhis, in fact all others, and India. And the damage continues.